G'day, I'm Stephen Page from Page Provan Family and Fertility Lawyers, and welcome to the Australian Family and Fertility Law podcast. Today I'm talking about surrogacy in Kenya. Now, Kenya is an interesting country. Every year, as you may have heard in other videos, I make application under Freedom of Information to discover where kids are born through surrogacy. Australia is unique through the Department of Home Affairs in compiling data about where kids are born overseas through surrogacy. The department does that through applications for Australian citizenship by descent for kids born overseas via surrogacy. In the application for Australian citizenship, it asks, was the child born through surrogacy? Yes, no. And Australia is also unique in then compiling where kids are born. Now, there have been likely less than 20 kids born over 8 years, so 20 Australian kids in 8 years. And why I say likely, if the numbers are less than 5, for example 1, 2, 3, 4, but typically 1, then the Australian government compiles less than 5 for privacy reasons. So at best it'll be 20, but more likely less than that. So very few Australians go there. Kenya is on the naughty list of Israel. Now you'll have seen another video, there's another video I've done about how the Israeli government has named a number of countries on its naughty list, which is don't go there for surrogacy, and they are Ukraine, Albania, North Cyprus and Kenya. And what are they worried about in Kenya? Well, exploitation of women, commodification of women and commodification of the child. What do we know about surrogacy in Kenya? Well, it's unregulated. You get an adoption order at the end of the process. Egg donation is anonymous. Who runs the surrogacy agencies? Mainly Indian surrogacy agencies. But there is change afoot. Since 2022, there has been a bill wending its way through the Kenyan Parliament. It passed through the National Assembly late last year, the lower house, and it's called the Assisted Reproductive Technology Bill 2022, and it's now got its way to the Kenyan Senate. So the Senate has called for submissions. That time has expired, and as of today, the 17th of March 2026, it hasn't yet been enacted. But if it passes through the Senate, Kenya will no longer be an option for Australians because no commercial surrogacy, and surrogacy will be for locals, not foreigners. So we'll see how that plays out. I've met the MP from Kenya who she's really behind this bill, and what she was quite clear about was about protecting Kenyan women and the children who are born. She wanted to make sure that exploitation ends because foreign intended parents in an unregulated environment and particularly the agencies are in a much more powerful position than poor Kenyan women. So anyway, we'll see whether the bill passes or not. Thank you for watching and listening. I'm Stephen Page from Page Provan Family and Fertility Lawyers. This is the Australian Family and Fertility Law podcast.